Hello everyone. How are you all, my dear students? I hope you all are fine and doing your studies well. So, my dear students, as you all know, we are doing English lesson number 10, Siddharth and the Swan. So, in a previous lecture, we have completed hard words of lesson number 10 in your fair book. So I hope you all are ready with your fair book as I instructed you in a previous video, right? So open your fair book, lesson number 10, hard words, then we will move to the next topic. First we will revise all the hard words so that students who missed previous video, they can note it down, and who have already written, they can check it each and every words. Okay. So let's begin our today's session with a beautiful quote. The quote is, "The happiness of your life depends on the quality of your thoughts." The happiness of your life depends on the quality of your thoughts. Now, first topic of the fair book in lesson number 10 is hard words. Hard words. Now let's revise all the hard words. Number 1, Gautam Buddha. Gautam Buddha. G-A-U-T-A-M-A. Gautam. B-U-D-D-H-A. Buddha. Okay. Then number 2, S-I-D-D-H-A-R-T-H-A. Siddharth. S-I-D-D-H-A-R-T-H-A. Siddharth. Then number 3, R-O-Y-A-L. Royal. R-O-Y-A-L. Royal. Number 4, G-E-N-E-R-O-U-S. Generous. G-E-N-E-R-O-U-S. Generous. Then number 5, I-N-C-I-D-E-N-T. Incident. I-N-C-I-D-E-N-T. Incident. Number 6, C-H-A-R-A-C-T-E-R-S. Characters. C-H-A-R-A-C-T-E-R-S. Characters. Then next is number 7, S-U-D-D-H-O-D-A-N-A. Shuddhodhan. S-U-D-D-H-O-D-A-N-A. Shuddhodhan. Number 8, M-A-H-A-M-A-Y-A. Mahamaya. M-A-H-A-M-A-Y-A. Mahamaya. Number 9, D-E-V-A-D-A-T-T-A. Devadatta. D-E-V-A-D-A-T-T-A. Devadatta. Number 10, C-O-U-S-I-N. Cousin. C-O-U-S-I-N. Cousin. Number 11, P-A-R-T-I-C-U-L-A-R-L-Y. Particularly. P-A-R-T-I-C-U-L-A-R-L-Y. Particularly. Number 12, S-W-A-N-S. Swans. S-W-A-N-S. Swans. Then next is number 13, N-E-S-T-E-D. Nested. Nested, nested. Number 14, overhead, overhead. Overhead. Number 15, falters, falters. Falters, falters. Number 16, quietly, quietly. Quietly, quietly. Number 17, stroke, stroke. Number 18, arrow, arrow, arrow. Then next is number 19, sticking, sticking, sticking. 20, carrying, carrying, carrying. 21, harmed, harmed. 22, defenseless, defenseless. Then palace, palace. 24, discussing, discussing. 25, amongst, amongst. Then next is 26, surprise, surprise. 27, revert, revert. 28, dispute, dispute. 29, sense, sense. wounded, wounded. 31, deliberate, deliberate. Then next is 32, arguments, arguments. 33, decision, decision. 34, judgment, judgment. 35, majesty, majesty. 36, puzzled, puzzled. Puzzled, puzzled. 37. Approaches, approaches. Approaches, approaches. 38. Bandaged, bandaged. Bandaged, sorry, GED, bandaged. HEALED, healed. HEALED, healed. Number 40. FAMILIAR, familiar. FAMILIAR, familiar. 41. TOWARDS, towards. TOWARDS, towards. 42. MOUNTAINS, mountains. MOUNTAINS, mountains. 43. MINISTER, minister. MINISTER, minister. 44. GENTLY, gently. GENTLY, gently. So my dear students, I hope you all have completed here till hard words. So now, new topic from a new page. So after completing the hard words on a new page, give heading of the next topic, that is meanings. Our next topic is meanings. Okay. So I hope you all have given the heading properly with a beautiful handwriting. So let's see meanings. Here it is. Overhead. Overhead means above your head. Overhead means above your head. Revered. Revered means respected. Revered means respected. Dispute. Dispute means a disagreement. Dispute means a disagreement. Puzzled. Puzzled means confused. Puzzled means confused. Doorway. Doorway means entrance. Doorway means entrance. Now I am giving you some time to note down all these meanings. Now I am reading this again so that you can complete it easily. Okay. Let's see. Overhead means above your head. Overhead. This you have to write together. Overhead means above your head. Overhead, above your head. Then revered. Revered means respected. Revered means respected. Then dispute. Dispute. Dispute means a disagreement. Dispute means a disagreement. Puzzled. Puzzled means confused. Puzzled means confused. Doorway. Doorway means entrance. Doorway means entrance. So, my dear students, again I am giving you a time of a few seconds to complete this. So, students, those who have not completed yet the meanings, complete it fast, okay? Now, let's go to the next topic. After completing the meanings, the next topic is give one word. Give one word. Okay? So, write with beautiful handwriting on a new page, give one word. Now, let's see, give one word. Number one, write with me, okay? The birds, the birds use or build the nest to keep their babies in it. The birds use or build the nest to keep their babies in it. Answer is nested. 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 Then skip one line and write number 2. Number 2. Unable to protect itself. Unable to protect itself. Answer is defenseless. Defenseless. Defenceless. Defenseless. Defenceless. Defenseless. So, my dear students, now I am giving you some time to note down these two give one words. So, I am repeating these give one word so that you can complete it easily. Number 1, the birds use or build the nest to keep their babies in it. The birds use or build the nest to keep their babies in it. Answer is nested. Nested. Number 2, unable to protect itself. Unable to protect itself. Answer is defenseless. Answer is defenseless. So, my dear students, now we are going to revise all the topics which we have learned today. Hard words, meanings and give one words, so that you can complete it properly. Okay? So, my dear students, in Fair Book, lesson number 10, the first topic is hard words. So, we are watching the summary of today's session, what we have learned today. Okay, so check it with me. Number 1, Gautam Buddha. Number 2, Siddharth. Number 3, Royal. Number 4, Generous. Number 5, Incident. Number 6, Characters. Now, number 7, Shuddhodhan. Number 8, Mahamaya. Number 9, Devadatta. Number 10, cousin, 11 particularly, 12 swans. Then next is 13 nested, 14 overhead, 15 falters, 16 quietly, 17 stroke, 18 arrow. Then next is 19 sticking, 20 carrying, 21 harmed, 22 defenseless, 23 palace, 24 discussing, 25 amongst. Then next is 26 surprise, reward, 28 dispute, 29 sense, 30 wounded, 31 deliberate. Then next is 32 arguments, 33 decision, 34 judgment, 35 majesty, 36 puzzled, then 37 approaches, 38 bandaged, 39 healed, 40 familiar, 41 towers, 42 mountains, 43 minister, and 44 gently. So I hope you all have checked hard words with me. Total 44 hard words are there. How many are there? 44 hard words are there. So after hard words, there is the next topic in a new page, meanings. Meanings. So let's see meanings. Overhead. Overhead means above your head. Above your head. Overhead means above your head. Then number 2, revered. Revered. Revered means respected. Revered means respected. Number 3, dispute. Dispute. Dispute means a disagreement. A disagreement. Number 4, puzzled. Puzzled means confused. Puzzled means confused. Doorway. Doorway means entrance. Doorway means entrance. Overhead means above your head. Overhead means above your head. Revered means respected. Respected. Dispute means a disagreement. Dispute means a disagreement. Puzzled means confused. Puzzled means confused. Doorway means entrance. Doorway means entrance. So now I am giving you some time to check this in your fab book. So I hope you all have checked all the meanings properly. Now, after completing the meanings, there is give one word. Give one word. So let's see, give one word. Number 1, the birds use or build the nest to keep their babies in it. The birds use or build the nest to keep their babies in it? Answer is nested. Nested. Number 2, unable to protect itself. Unable to protect itself. Answer is defenseless. Answer is defenseless. So my dear students, now I am giving you some time to check these give one words. So I hope you have completed this give one word and you have checked it properly. So my dear students, today we will do till here only, till give one word. So how many topics we have completed? Yes, we have completed hard words, meanings, give one word. So how many topics are left? Fill in the blanks, complete the following, answer in short, answer in brief and make sentences. All these topics are left to complete. Okay? So in next lecture we are going to start from filling the blanks. So whenever you will be sit for the next lecture, sit with your fair book. And regarding today's lecture, if you are having any doubts, feel free to message me. Okay? We will meet in our next session. Till then, take care of yourself. Bye bye.